Your girl just did her very own flower wall, and I love it so much. Look at it. It's definitely cute. Touch my body. Touch my body. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Misha, aka Vaz, aka Touch Styles. So today we're gonna have a special guest, my boyfriend. Once he get over here, we are gonna be making a shrub wall. So by now we should all know what a shrub wall is. If you're an entrepreneur, it's that pretty wall that got like the grass-looking background, and then like you put your flowers and stuff on top. Now I was gonna pay my cousin to do it, but I did not know they was expensive. I did not know they was as expensive as they are. So I just decided to do it myself. I went to the store and I got some stuff. Like, she told me that it would be $180 if I buy my own products, and it'd be $180. But I don't know what size it was for. And then what I had wanted, she told me it was $350, and I was like, ooh, I didn't know they was that expensive. So I just decided to do it myself. Not complaining about her prices, because you know, if I really wanted, I would pay for it. But I feel like it's something I could probably do myself. So I would rather just try it out and see what I come up with. So the first thing that I got from Michael's, I spent like $126 total. Well, really not even $126, because I ended up buying some stuff for like our date night. So I probably spent like $100 total. And I got these canvas. I got these super canvases. They are 18 by 24. It came with 3, and this was like $11. And then I got 3 of these little grass sheets. And if you go to Michael's, don't even ask them if they got it. You go look for it, because the lady had told me that she didn't have them, and they did have them. And even if this is not it, it's gonna work. This is called a moss, and it comes like this. This is 14 inch by 48 inches, and it looks like this. This was $17. I bought 3 of these. Now, come on, here. Oh, ah! No. Anyway, so I bought Gorilla Glue. I bought Gorilla Tape. I think this tape was like $10. It was like $9.99 for this tape. A hot glue gun, I think it was like $3 or $4. 2 packs of hot glue. They was like I think this one was $5.99. I think this one was $3.99. And make sure you get the one that matches your gun. Like, I got a mini gun, so I had to get the mini glue. Last, I bought flowers from Dollar Tree. Hey, lady. I bought flowers from Dollar Tree because I seen people on YouTube getting their flowers from Dollar Tree. So I bought pink and white flowers from Dollar Tree. 4 bunches of the pink ones. I bought 3 bunches of white flowers. And I bought 2 bunches of like white roses. The first step is I'm going to open these up, and I'm gonna glue these together, so that way I can make my background. I'm gonna put glue like right here on each one of those, so that they'll stick together. And then I'm gonna put glue at the top right here and right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the back. And I also bought the tape that I'm gonna put on there too. Okay, so I'm gonna take the glue, and I'm putting the glue right on the side of this board. And I'm gonna use the nozzle, because that's not putting enough glue on there. And I'm just not about to take all that time to put this glue on. So
Well, Rick said she met a guy. I just thought it was hilarious. I'm looking at him like, damn, if you already knew that the reason why I have the name is because I bought the fake ID, and I bought the fake ID for the fucking gift.
I'm making making sure that stuff is super secure because I do not want it to just fall down. I'm doing hair, trying to take a picture, you know. Babe, can you get the scissors on my hair stuff? In that pink little bucket on the washer. Please, thank you. Yep. This is Gorilla Glue tape, so it's supposed to be like super, super strong. You could go. Huh? Oh wait, I probably didn't even need that. No, it turned easy. Oops. Yeah, I'll just leave them out here just because I still gotta use them.
Step 3, now it's time to start applying the glue on top of the board because you're going to glue your grass up here. But I used the Gorilla Glue and really that didn't do good enough for me. I feel like the hot glue gun glued down the grass the best. So for this step, please use the hot glue gun. You definitely will have to do some cutting out to fill in the spaces once you apply your first 2 sheets. So like I said, I had 3 sheets of grass.
Okay, y'all, so this is day 2 and we're about to finish our flower wall. And I got a special little guest, my little niecey poo. Say hi. Her name, what's your name? What's your name? Yes, you do. What's your name? What's your name? Her name is Dear. Okay, so this is how the grass look for day 2. We need a hot glue gun because we're gonna use this to glue the flowers on top of the grass. And of course you need your flowers of whatever choice. What color is that? Yeah, good girl. Okay. So, this is what we gotta do, Diddy. First, I'm not gonna use these twigs, so I'm gonna pull the flowers off of these branches. So take the flowers off. Yeah, like that. And sit them right here. Yeah, girl, you going fast.
You go fast.
I know, you faster than me.
No, you're not.
Yes, you are.
No, you're not.
Now cut down the branches on the flowers, but don't cut it too low because the whole flower will come apart.
Now this is easy. You're just going to apply a dime size of glue where you're going to put the flower, then you're going to place the flower. I did this individually, so I didn't just put a bunch of glue down and then put the flowers. I literally put the glue, put the flower, put the glue, put the flower, put the glue, put the flower, just so the glue wouldn't dry up. This is how it looks so far, and once I finish, it was so cute. Like, stay tuned.
Girl just did her very own flower wall, and I love it so much. Look at it. It's definitely cute. Touch my body. Play with me some more. Touch my body.